mornings to all. The topic of today lecture is DC load line. In this lecture we have to draw a load line. This is a NPN transistor in common emitter configuration. Here emitter is common, it is used in input and output loop also. So to draw a DC load line we have to apply KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law, at output loop, because we have to draw a load line. Load resistance is this RC, so we have to make a KVL, use of KVL at output loop. So where is output is start? We start from here and then a battery VCC, then we goes to a resistor RC, and the current across this resistor is IC. Then we move here and we reach at collector. From collector it goes inside of transistor and come outside from emitter, and then there is a voltage between collector and emitter. We take this voltage VCE. Now this sign is plus and here is a minus because it is NPN transistor. So now loop is here. It is this. Means output loop. We start from here, a battery VCC, then a resistor, then here, and then this voltage VCE, and we again reach to a ground. So this is output loop. To apply KVL, we are assuming current is flowing in direction. Here is plus, current is coming from plus, so we put here plus VCC. Again we reach to resistor RC. The current across the resistor is IC. The current coming from this minus sign, so we have put minus IC RC. Again we reach here collector and comes out from emitter, and this potential, this is plus, this minus, and this potential is VC, voltage between collector and emitter. So it is comes from minus, so we are putting minus sign here, minus VCE equal to 0. Now this is question number 1. So we are simply applying KVL at the output. Now we can route equation number 1 like this. What is IC? Here is IC. So IC is equal to VCC minus VCE divided by RC. ओके, तो IC को हम इस साइड ले गए और RC डिवाइड हो गया. नाउ अगेन वी कैन राइट हियर minus 1 upon RC into VCE plus VCC upon RC. This is IC. This is one of the important relation is here. IC is this. Now this is question, but it is a common emitter configuration. It must be clear it is common emitter configuration. So in common emitter configuration we have to draw a output characteristics. How we draw output characteristics? It is a curve between VCE and IC. Means at X direction it is VCE and Y direction it is IC. The output curve of common emitter configuration. Now see this equation. Equation we can write here. Equation number 2 is similar to equation of line. What is equation of line? Equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. So now compare equation number 2 with equation of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. So what is this? What is y? Y is IC. What is x? X is a VC. This is X. What is M? M is a slope, that is minus 1 upon RC. That way I'm putting this is M. And C is a constant. So what is C? It is a VCC upon RC. C is a constant. So now we can say question number 2 represent a straight line which has y is equal to IC, x is equal to VC, slope is minus 1 upon RC, and constant C is equal to VCC upon RC, because VCC and RC both are constant. Current can vary, and resistance voltage can vary, but this value is a constant. So if this is a straight line, so we can draw a straight line by using this equation. So how we draw a straight line? To draw a straight line, we require 2 points. We require at least 2 points. So what is the simplest way to draw a straight line? So we can draw a straight line by simply putting one time x is 0 and another time y is 0. When IC is a 0, IC is a means y is a 0. So we are putting IC 0 in this equation. Then we can find VCE equal to, if this is a 0, IC is a 0, what is VCC? VCE is equal to VCC. The condition is this, IC is a 0. तो IC मीन्स कलेक्टर करंट कब 0 होगी? जब हमारा आउटपुट ओपन सर्किट हो. तो वी कैन आल्सो से इट इज ओपन सर्किट VC. नाउ फॉर सेकेंड पॉइंट्स वी पुट व्हेन VC इज 0, मीन्स यहाँ पे हमने y एक्सिस 0 किया, यहाँ पे हमने x एक्सिस 0 किया, तो हमें जो पॉइंट मिलेगा y एक्सिस पे मिलेगा. ठीक है, y 0 करेंगे तो हमें पॉइंट मिलेगा x एक्सिस पे, x 0 करेंगे तो हमें पॉइंट मिलेगा y एक्सिस पे. तो when VC is 0, from this equation we put VC 0 in equation number 2. So what we get? We get IC is equal to VC is 0. So what is IC? IC is equal to VCC upon RC. So we get VCC upon RC. IC, it is when VC is 0. VC मतलब वोल्टेज कब 0 होगा? जब क्या होगा? वो शॉर्ट सर्किट होगा. ठीक है, तो कलेक्टर एमीटर जब शॉर्ट सर्किट है, देन केस करंट इज IC इक्वल टू VCC अपॉन RC. व्हेन कलेक्टर एमीटर इज ओपन सर्किट मीन्स IC इज 0, तो वोल्टेज इज VCC. तो वी गेट 2 पॉइंट्स हियर. एट दिस एक्सिस वी गेट VCC अपॉन RC, and this axis we get VCC, and we make a line here. This line is known as DC load line, and the slope of this DC load line is minus 1 upon RC. ठीक है, this is a very important concept in common emitter transistor. We have to draw a load line. The load line is this. Again, we know that here we goes inside of saturation region. So this point is also known as IC saturation. And here down of this axis we get a cutoff region. So this point is also known as cutoff point. Simple means it is IC saturation. It is a VCE cutoff. So VCE cutoff is VCC, IC saturation is VCC upon RC. Okay, thank you very much.